going to make a pot today, Bethy, so we're going to fold the paper and let's fold it again along its long side. That's fantastic. Now we're going to grab an empty tin and we're going to roll it up to create our pot. And I want you to roll it up to make the sides of the pot. Look at that. I'm going to hold it for you and then you can stuff the paper down there, which will make the bottom of our pot. It doesn't really matter if there's a hole there because the water can drain out. All right, I'm going to turn it over and you can pull the tin out. Now we need to stamp down that bottom. So push him down to make that bottom nice and flat so it'll stand up. Lovely. You can pull him out. And now we're going to give it a staple to keep it together. So now we can fill it with soil to plant a plant. I think that's enough soil. All right, and today we are going to plant pea.
How many?
Just plant one. I think right in the middle of the pot so it's got plenty of room.
Who wants to plant corn? Yes.
Just put a little bit more soil on top. Fantastic. And now we need to give the plant a little bit of water to make the pea grow. So let's give it a good spray.
Junior Landcare.